All right, so I created my website with Miss W on November 9th or 10th when she came to my English class. And now today I'm ready to upload because I did my homework this weekend. I got artifacts, I got work samples, I got all types of stuff. But like, how do I get it on my website? How do I even get back to my website, right? So I just logged into Canva. On this left-hand side right here, you see the word home, and right under it, it says projects. So I'm gonna click on that and boom, there it is. There's the one that I started previously, all right? Right now, just because I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and put my name on here because this is my portfolio. And my name is too long. We'll make this cute later. Don't worry about that homepage, okay? So the two things that the homework said I was supposed to focus on was work samples and showcase. So I'm gonna click down bottom and find showcase. So if I go here to this screen and double click on there, it'll take me directly to showcase. All right, I'm gonna rename this title showcase. I don't need this. Oh, actually, yes, I do. I'm gonna leave this on here. I like that font. Oh, it's a subtitle. I don't like that. I'm gonna remove that. So I'm gonna take this and move it up here at the top of my page. I don't need their picture. I'm gonna snatch this because I like the font and I'm gonna bring it down here. All right, so I'm not reinventing the wheel. There's some things that are already done and designed that I like, so why not use what's already created? Okay, so that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm using their fonts that they added. That was the whole reason I picked this template, is because I liked it, so I might as well use what they put on there. So I'm gonna go to uploads. We're gonna pretend y'all don't see these uploads already added. I'm gonna go to uploads. You all have your stuff on a Google Doc, so you can take the Google Doc you did for homework for your English teacher and you can drag and drop your stuff here. I'm gonna upload mine because I don't have that Google Doc. And what I did was I made a folder on my laptop for my portfolio stuff, okay? So I'm gonna click the first one, hold the shift button on my keyboard, and click the bottom one. I'm still holding that button, right? It let me pick all four at the same time, so I don't have to do them one at a time. Boom. Now I got everything uploaded. Oh, that's dope. That's pretty cool. I don't know if y'all saw that. Oh, that's really cool. I'm gonna play with that another day. It said that it can remove backgrounds from my photo. That's cool. Okay, so I'm on Showcase. I'm gonna put in my first item. This is from my kindergarten promotion. This is from my kindergarten promotion. And I'm gonna say my kindergarten promotion was a sweet, or maybe I should say is a sweet memory for my family. I believe that my primary years gave me the foundation for my future. Okay, so I wrote a little caption, and you guys did yours for homework. You're ahead of me a little bit, right? But we're gonna pretend I didn't do my homework. I'm trying to hurry up and do it now. I'm gonna center mine because I think you see what I just did right there? The font was over to the left. I didn't like the way that looked, so I clicked this button up here and I centered it. I think that looks a little neater. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with this picture. And obviously I got mine from Google, but y'all bear with me. I'm gonna go with this picture, copy, paste. I made a copy of the text box just because I already like the way it was formatted. I like the font. And I'm gonna say, in this youth fishing tournament, I can't spell today. I won first place. My great uncle was my mentor and captain. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna add, it looks like I only have space for one more picture. So actually I'm gonna resize this a little bit because now I'm trying to make it cute, right? Like I did a lot of the work, but I need to make it handsome. So let's move that. Maybe I can bump up this, squeeze that in a little bit, move this, boom. So I can add this photo. I need a caption. And put this caption here. I'm gonna say, my family trip to Paris meant the world to me. I was able to visit the Louvre. Y'all check my spelling on that one. And see works by world-renowned artists. Now look, y'all, I use pictures from Google because this is not my portfolio, it's yours. You have real pictures from your actual real life. I just needed some sample photos for you so you can kind of get an idea. Okay, so I was supposed to have 12 artifacts, not 12, 10. I was supposed to have 10 artifacts. I only got 3 to fit here. Where on earth am I going to put my other artifacts? Here's an idea. What I'm going to do, is I'm going to click the little box at the bottom so I can see. You see right here in this preview, you can see what I've done thus far. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign to add a page and put it behind my showcase page. I'm going to double click here so I can work, and I just want to show you what happens. Let's pretend I just did all the formatting. I made it cute. I put all of them on there, put all my captions on there, and I want to show you the preview. If I click showcase, you'll see the first page of showcase, right? With the title that I put on it to make sure people know that they're in my showcase. And then if you keep scrolling, that new page that I added, we know that it was a new page, but it's not up here in the toolbar because I didn't name it. If I would have named it, it would have caused some confusion and made my toolbar even longer. So I did not name it. But the cool thing is, it looks like one seamless page. You see how it looks like the one page just kept going? That's what I wanted, okay? So if you get, click back over here. If you get to a point where you're working in something and you need more space, just click the plus sign and then move it behind wherever you want. And now you've made this page longer, okay? So I just hit the undo button to delete it. All right. Okay, guys. I think you've got all the basic tools. You're going to be amazing. I'm already super proud of you. Best of luck. I will be by to see you today. I'll be coming through some of the rooms. All right. Have a good day. Peace.